It is a cold day. Here come Rizzy and Ingrid right now. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh god.
And we got our first tone. There they go. Alright, that was their appearance for the day probably. Because it's a little too cold for them. They're gonna go to a coffee shop or something, they say. We have a nice little 8 already. And it is a piece of beach foil to start. That's what just sounded like a ring. Alright. Oh. Say hi to the people, Rizzy. Alright, we got our first high tone here. Nice little 25. Sounds pretty shallow. Sounded pretty shallow. I don't know what you're doing now, but I think we got our 25 out. Maybe not. This is weird. It was like, it sounded like a first scoop dime. Now it just sounds like a deep cord or something. Oh, there it goes. Okay, scoop one target. Oh, we're going number 3 here. Jesus, sounds like a little too thick. Hey. Hey, we got it. 2 minutes in, we got our dime. Alright, our lucky charm is here. And we have a penny sound. Oh. Alright, we're going to be one step closer to the cycle here, I believe. Oh no, it's a key. The key to your heart.
Oh.
After a long stroll and a spot change, we got another little high tone here. Another little penny sound. Maybe it's another key. It's a little deeper than I thought. Oh, what do we have here? What do we have here? Wow, this is gonna be silver, I think. That's wild. I thought it was a penny. It's gotta be silver. I don't know what it is. A finger ring? Look how thick that bad boy is. We have a surface find. It's a watermelon covered in flowers. Interesting. There might be some pennies in there too. Oh, should I dig this watermelon apart to find what's in there? Yikes. Okay, I had to check and see. Someone put a penny in it. I think that's all it was. No, there's another penny, but I'm gonna leave that penny in the watermelon in case it was good luck or something. Better scour this area pretty good. If people are leaving penny watermelons laying around, there's bound to be something good around here. Well, I guess it's just the watermelon. Alright, we got a little 12, and Ingrid's in the car waiting for me, so this is my last dig, I'm thinking. Unless I get something else on the walk out. It's kind of a light 12 though. I thought it was gonna be a nickel. But a nickel usually rings up a little louder than that. Man, I'm not on my game today. Okay, what the heck? Alright, we have it in the scoop at least now. Oh, and I broke my GoPro. And all that, and it was a nickel. Alright, we got 15 cents now. Alright, it's a quick little sad wrap up today. We threw the trash out already. This is the good stuff. A key, what I thought was a ring, and I might just tell myself it's a ring. We found a ring today. And a copper penny, a nickel, and a dime. Rizzy had a good time. And Ingrid had a good time, maybe?
Yeah, it was cold.
It was cold. And we met another detectorist and we talked to, and he's actually seen my channel. So shout out Phil, I think it was. And he said he saw 3 other detectorists there today, so that was a total of at least 5 of us in the same area. So that definitely, I'll say, is one of the reasons we struggled today, but also there wasn't a whole lot of wind and waves to stir stuff up. So I'll check the weather and try to get out for a better day next time so I can get a little bit more stuff. Till then, happy holidays. Say happy holidays.
Felices fiestas.
And that.